Hey guys, so over Thanksgiving I said that I was gonna do like 2 vlogs with exam week, one being like a day in the life exam version and then like how I study for exam week. But guys, I have 2 papers for philosophy as my final, and this is how big my textbook is. And I have to, which if you wanted to know page wise, it's like 50 page short of it. It's like 950 something pages. Like, it's insane. And that's how it's written. So I'm doing 1 on abortion and 1 on catechol imperative. And that's due Saturday, and it's currently Tuesday, but I don't have classes Thursday or Friday. I mean, I have 1 class Friday, but it's my exam. So I'm grinding out the shorter. I started the longer essay, but I've hit a roadblock with that one because it has to be at max 5 pages. And I just hit the 3rd page, and I still have 2 more chapters to read and like rebuttals for those. So these are going to be like Spitfire summaries. So I decided, well, since that's like 40 pages of reading, and I'm like 9 pages in, and I've been working on this for a while, let me do the one that's 6 pages of reading and start that one. So that's where we are. But I'll update you guys later, because I think this is going to be like my studying video. When I tell y'all these essays took me forever and a day, they literally took me forever and a day. Like, the first one I wrote was 40 pages, but the font of this book, I swear, is smaller than the font they used to print the Bibles. So it was really like reading 80 pages. And for my 20-page reading, it was really like reading 40 pages. But this first essay, I despised. I think it took me 3 or 4 days to write, purely because there was so much reading that my normal writing style wasn't working for the essay, and I didn't like it all around. But the second essay, I read in 1 day, I finished it in 2 hours while simultaneously having a conversation with my roommate. So I think the second essay was a better of a success than the first one. I still don't think I ever want to see an ethics textbook again, purely just from the PTSD of writing these essays. Hey guys, so I'm gonna whisper. I studied until like 8:45 last night. So I gave myself, I got back from class at 2, did work until like 3:45, gave myself a 15-minute break, and then worked until like 6, and then I FaceTimed my parents, then I watched an episode of Bridgerton, and then I studied until like 8:45, 9 o'clock for math. And we're gonna do the same thing today. But also, I'm excited because it's the last day of classes, and exactly 1 week until I go home. So, yeah, but I'm gonna put in some time lapses throughout the videos, so the 2 earlier were not the only ones. Just so you know. I have finished studying for calc, and guys, if you want to know how many pages, like, my notes app is like actual like paper page length, I have done 11 pages worth of math today. I'm gonna crush this exam. I'm gonna crush it, okay? Oh, I feel so good. And I made myself Starbucks in the morning. Now I'm gonna shower and then go to bed or watch TV or something because it feels way later than 8 o'clock. But here we are, so I felt the need to put this one in because I look studious and I look productive. Well, aside from that, but I look productive halfway through and studious halfway through. But actually, I put my phone on my bed so I could be studious, and then my friend started texting me. So then I started responding on my laptop. And then I fall asleep later in this, so I actually wasn't being productive at all. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's Saturday, and I'm so, like, Like, I went out to eat last night with my friends. Got the most insane stomach ache. Like, thinking about eating makes me want to vomit. And what sucks is that happens every time I go out to eat since coming to campus. When I'm at home, it doesn't happen. But when I'm here, I could literally go and we got sushi. Okay, and for those of you who don't know, I could hound down about as much sushi as possible and not get a stomach ache, right? Like, my body's like, I know what this is. We're good, we got it. But I got sushi, and it was really like a 10-piece roll, okay? Stomach was in pain for a whole day. At Texas Roadhouse last weekend. Or no, it was a couple weekends ago. And wow, it sounds like, think about it, it sounds like I eat out a lot. But we just get sick of campus food a lot. I went to Texas Roadhouse, ate at like 3:30, didn't eat until 2:30 the next day. Like, but I'm finishing my philosophy paper. I need one more page. So I need about 2 or 3 more paragraphs. So it'll be easy to finish it. I just don't want to because I found out that, so I have to write 2 papers for my final for philosophy. And collectively, they're only 80 points. So they're like 40 each. Or like 80-80 and then averages it out, you know? So yeah, I don't even know what I was talking about. It's only like 8:30. Oh, just kidding. It's very much so not 8:30. It's almost 9 o'clock. But I kind of just want to like lay in bed all day. But what I really want is I really want my mom to make my stomach pain go away. But she's not here, so. Alright, so I'm gonna leave you guys with, again, another time lapse because that seems to be all that's in my camera roll, me studying and time lapses of it. But I hope you guys like the time lapses. I hope there was something that kind of like was interesting. So if you enjoyed, go ahead and like and comment. And next week's video is going to be more of exam weeks, but more of what I did around my exams. So that should be pretty interesting. But I hope you all enjoyed. I love and appreciate you all so very much, and I will see you all next week. Bye!